Hi, my name is Mekhyle Tolibao, and our topic assigned is solid mensuration. So, since kaya ako ang pinaka sugod sa topic, so I will talk about polyhedrons, prism, rectangular parallelepiped, cube, pyramid, regular pyramid. So, mensuration is a branch of mathematics which deals with the length of line, areas of surface, and volumes of solids. So, what is a plane mensuration? It deals with the sides, perimeters, and areas of plane figures of different shapes. So, solid mensuration, it deals with the area and volumes of solid objects. So, polyhedrons. So, since kaya ako ang pinaka una sa topic nga ma-report, so magsugod ta sa pinaka basic sa solid mensuration. So, polyhedrons, a solid figure with many plane faces, typically more than 6. So, polyhedrons daw kung ang iyang faces more than 6 para ning cube. So, Euler's theorem, V represent vertices, E edges, F faces. So, V minus E plus F is equals to 2. So, like sa cube, vertices niya 8, edges 12, faces 6. So, muna siya 8 minus 12 plus 6 equals 2. So, mura na siya kay basic po man ta. So, my next topic is prism. So, prism is a polyhedron in which two faces are equal polygons in parallel planes and all other faces are parallelograms. So, two types of prism. So, there are two types. The first is oblique prism, is when the axis is not perpendicular to the base. So, right prism, if the axis is parallel to the base, all lateral areas are rectangular. So, for example, problem, a rectangular in ground pool is 45 feet long. So, pool 45 feet long, 16 feet wide. So, yung gilap dun 4 feet deep. So, iyang kalawmon. So, how many cubic feet of water does the pool hold? So we'll need to get the volume. So, formula is length times weight times height. So, 45 times 16 times 4. So, input sa calculus. So, muna siyang result. Okay. So, proceed to sa next. So, let's proceed to cube. Cube is a solid three-dimensional figure which has 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. So volume formula niya is base area times height. So kani siya a squared plus a squared plus a squared plus a squared is muna yung CSA para curved surface area. So 4a squared para makuha 4a squared. Okay, pat man siya na 1, 2, 3, 4. So ang total surface area pod niya, so kani siya a squared plus a squared plus a squared plus a squared plus a squared. So 6a squared. So curved surface area, so for example 2 ang a, so 4a squared or 4 times 2 squared. So mani siya. So total surface area pod niya 6a squared or so ito na to 6 times 2 squared is equals to 24 m squared. So sa volume, so A3 or equals to 2 cube equals to 8m cube. So muna siya. So 2 meter times 2 meters times 2 meters equals to 8m cube. Tama na to. So pyramid is a solid whose lateral faces are triangular with common vertex and whose base is polygon. So surface area of pyramid, base area plus 1/2. So times stand times height times base times length. So volume of pyramid 1/3 times base area times height. Base area of a square pyramid is equal to b squared. So surface area of a square pyramid 2b is plus b squared. So volume of the square pyramid 1/3 b squared times height. So ano to siya, wala ko'y problem.